Okay, and welcome back everybody. You guys are probably wondering what's going on that preview picture. What is that? Well, any of y'all that are really following all the channels, if you know Papa Dan, you know about these tumblers that he makes, and they are really neat. I got to say. Now, who is Bumblebee? Well, this is Bumblebee. Those of you that have been following me for a long time, this is Bumblebee, and we got him on the cup now. And that's not all, because there's more on the back side of the cup, but I just wanted to explain what's going on here. So this is something that Dan is making now. He makes it on the Cricut machine, and it makes like a vinyl sticker. I saw the whole process, but I'm not completely following. But we wanted to make this cup, and of course my shop card. Now the shop card has Bumblebee on there. Bumblebee was one of my favorite builds, and so that is why it's always on there. And the reason why it's almost always blacked out like that is because it's really blacked out like this as well. It's got the blacked out wheels, and that's what I always go for on Bumblebee. In case nobody's ever seen it, this is Bumblebee. I don't remember the engine detail. I suppose I should take that hood off and look in there. It is... oh, so it's like a modern engine they put in there. But the neat parts of this one... oh, my license plate. The neat parts of this one is the undercarriage. Now this is the Lindbergh kit. Oh, there's the other side of the cup. So if you remember, now so my shop name, Top Revision, is a kind of lengthy word. And so it had to be divided into two sections, which is absolutely fine. And actually, this is the main purpose of this cup. This cup is going to be my shop name cup. I didn't even realize that with all these shop cards up here, I don't have my own shop card up or my own shop name anywhere. I saw Todd H. had put his own right in the center of his, and I was like, well, duh. So I need to get my name on there somewhere, and this is how we're going to do it. So this is always going to be on the bench somewhere, and this is going to be holding all my paintbrushes. And a few other things. I'm not sure exactly what it is I'm going to put in there, but definitely the paintbrushes, so that the brush ends are all up in the air all the time and never touching anything. But that is going to be my shop cup, holding my paintbrushes, and it is going to label my shop as my shop. It's going to be, I think, right about there. I'm going to have to rearrange some stuff and clean up some stuff. But otherwise, this is something that Dan does. You can contact him to have these done. They come in 3 different sizes. This is the smallest one, I think. And hey, you can actually drink out of them if you want to. They are, oh, Dan fill in the blanks. They are kind of insulated stainless steel cups. I think the name brand is on there. That insignia brand. And cap and everything, and I think it's an insulated cup. And yeah, you contact Dan to order those, and they're all custom made, and man, they look good. And that's about it, other than showing the bottom half of Bumblebee. This is a great kit. This was the Lindbergh kit, or I don't think it was originally Lindbergh, but when I got it, it was Lindbergh, and it's been reissued by another company, but it's all the same kit. CT built this one, not as Lindbergh. It was another company. I can't remember which one bought the molds, but it's the same kit, and it's a great kit. Absolutely great kit. And so there we go. Bumblebee's happy. I'm happy. The shop is happy. I think Papa Dan is happy. And if you want to be happy, contact Papa Dan, get you a mug. Thanks for watching, everybody, and y'all have a good one.